horsepower engine.
Yo, welcome back to the BST channel. Wingnuts, what's going on? What's happening? Thanks for giving, bro. Thanks for giving. I'm going to explain why I say that in that kind of manner. I need to lower this AC situation here. I'm not going to take it back out, but I wanted to put it in to see how everything kind of fits in and ties in. Oh man, let's show you. Engine's in, right? Don't applaud me. Don't say yay. Yo, I had to get help for this, man. First, I had to ask my son. And he was over there in his room, I was playing video games, a pocket pool or whatever. I said, man, come outside and help me with this thing here, because, yo, I need some serious help. So, what happened? You know, like I was trying to explain to you guys think I was bull crapping, man. That metal, this ain't no Harbor Freight situation. This is old school. You know what I mean? I don't even think it's an old school standard. This for your old school guys who had an old shop. Y'all get what that is. You got to roll this thing over here. Right here, I got battered concrete, weathered. That thing got stuck right here. You know what I mean? And me and my son had to bring it here. Then we got it somewhere around here. Then we had to swing it. I had to use a jack. That's right there to jack it up to get it on top of this thing. Once I got it there, I had to put the wood there. Once we got it here, my nephew came. And then we kind of started to wiggle it and get it right through here. Now this thing fits legit. Everything is bolted up. Everything's fine. Exhaust manifold, everything is pretty much a go. I mean, you know, it fits. I mean, dude, it fits. You know what I mean? It's crazy how it fits, man. So it's all good. I just gotta look at some things and try to figure out where and what is going what. See these things here, I didn't even put this on. You know what I mean? You know, I don't even know why I didn't put this on, but I didn't put it on. Now I got to put it on. So yeah, that gotta you know what I'm saying? So this got to come back out for me to finagle and put that back in. I didn't even, man, but it's all good. It's there. I'm gonna go ahead and do that in a few minutes. But yeah, man, it fits pretty daggone snug. I mean, there's room for this box here, all types of room, man. This is good, man. This is good. But let me tell you something. If you're trying to install one of these in your, you know, your Crown Vic from 04 on up, you can use your basically your stock oil pan. Don't be fooled. Just use the stock oil pan. You'll be okay, because it's a little bit more deeper. Now, if you're doing it on an old joint, you're going to be needing that pickup tube from that Lincoln double overhead cam joint, and you're going to need that oil pan. And then my man 4 Blue said, man, go across here, cut off that little nub there. And that's what we did. Welded that up so you can be able to fit the starter underneath there. We still got this transmission that we didn't put on there yet. I got to clean that nose right there real good, and grease it up. You know what I mean? Lubricate that joint and everything like that. I was about to, you know, start lowering this because I do need upper and lower ball joints on this thing. So, you know, there's a lot more stuff that I have to do. I'll take care of that on another note. Or I may do it simultaneously. All up in here needs to be cleaned out. And then we can start putting, I'm going to get a new water pump. Start putting this thing together slowly and everything like that. That's what's going on, man. It's a lot, man. Really much a lot, but it's sitting there really nice. So just imagine it with the rims, you know what I mean? It'll set it off. That's why I wanted to have the rims a certain color so it can go with that, and the car is white, and, you know, I may even change the bumper in the front and grill, you know what I mean? It's just going to be a process. And that's all what I'm trying to show you guys, and this is the moment that I'm trying to share you, that I'm still at it. Even though I'm thinking about motorcycles and all this other stuff here, man, I'm still doing the Crown Vic situation. You know what the funny thing is, man? Let me show you something. I got the two cars here side by side, right? And I'm starting to look at it. These things are quite daggone similar. I mean, not like identical, but they just, it's just that they condensed this down here and they made this one condense down over here a little bit. But yo man, these cars are kind of like streamlined, identical, like, you know what I mean? It's like it's European cousin of some sort, which is very strange. I'm happy that these two cars run too, because I ain't want to be pushing this one over there and pushing that one. That's why I didn't take out the engine, because cars will end up just sitting in the driveway with no engines. Only needed one at a time. Everything in here runs. Obviously that doesn't run, that runs, but we're trying to get this to run so I can be able to move that. So it forces me to get this done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take back out this thing here and then install that, and then I can go about my business and figure out some other stuff and everything like that. I'm just giving you guys an update on this thing, man, and it's because sometimes, man, you really think you could do this all by yourself. You know what? Just get a hand, man. Just get somebody to help you, man, and that's what I did, man. I wanted to do this by myself so I can have bragging points, but yo, I ain't got no time for that. You're old now. Man, mess up your back for no reason, man. So we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Click like and subscribe, man, and yo, just check out all the Crown Victoria channels that's out there, man. You know my man Chuck, you know my man 4 Blue Gauge, you know my man. I'm trying to think of some other guys that I don't say on a normal basis. Well, anyway, god dang it, there's your names right here. All right, all you guys right there who I kind of forget off the top of my dome, man, your names right there, man. Go ahead and check out their channels, man, and hopefully we can get this one installed. I got plans C and D now. Yeah, we're down to C and D. All right, we're gonna do E and F too next if this doesn't work, but we got some plans. So now we got to get this in here. But before all of that, we got some conversion to do on the other one that's outside. Yeah, let me get back to this here, man. I gotta take that daggone AC pump right back out and then install that thing there, and then we can keep it rolling. All right, see you guys on the next one, man. Later. I got the engine out of this one. I got the engine out of that one. And I got the engine out of that one. That is crazy. They got them all side by side. That's nuts, man. That's what I had to do it, man. I had to take the engine out of these cars here. It was a must.